it's Shelly with Fancy Sprinkles. I have my little guy Archie here with us today, and I'll be showing you guys how to make these really cute bunny cake pops for spring. Alright, so to make our cake pops today, all we're gonna need is chocolate cake mix as well as store-bought frosting, and we're gonna be using Fancy Sprinkles' new To It Kit.
What's in the To It Kit?
It comes with white easy candy, which is really nice because bunnies are white, eggs are white, it's gonna match with everything. It comes with Day Tripper sprinkle blend, and it has little blue stick slits, which is matching with my outfit today. And it comes with this bunny silicone mold, as well as popsicle sticks and tourmaline pink prison powder,
Which is so sparkly.
Okay, such a distraction.
So I baked my cake and I let it cool slightly. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it into this big mixing bowl, and I'm just gonna start breaking it down with this spatula. You could also use your hands. This is the texture you want it to be like. It's holding its shape and it's nice and firm. It's not crumbly as well, so this is perfect. I'm gonna start off by melting our easy candy. I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna knead it a little and probably put it back in for once or twice again for 30 seconds, just so it's fully melted. Notice how I didn't fill it all the way to the top with cake pop. I left a little gap, and that's so that when we do put the easy candy over it, it's gonna have a nice smooth back. So I just took these out of the freezer. I placed them in for 5 minutes just so the back fully sets. And to pop them out, you just wanna gently peel the mold away from the cakesicle. So I went ahead and melted some pink easy candy. I put it in this piping bag because I really want a fine tip for this. If you don't have pink easy candy, you can use white easy candy and just dye it, but make sure you use oil-based food coloring. And we're just gonna pipe a little in the bunny's ears, and we're gonna use it to fill it with sprinkles. So to finish off our bunny, I'm gonna go ahead and give him some rosy cheeks to make him a little cute. And I'm using this tourmaline pink prison powder.
Here's our finished product. And you guys can go to fancysprinkles.com and get the To It Kit. It comes with everything we used today.
We're trying to film content!
If there are any other videos or recipes you guys have in mind, please comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content. Thank you guys so much for watching.